Body. Today, I'm gonna show you how to take a port call for like ducks and stuff. Okay. So first of all, you're gonna want to take this right here that I'm holding, and this end. Take it. Sorry, guys. And you're gonna pull it apart. Okay, here's what you blow out of, and here's the other port. And then take this little thing out, pops out, and then for this port in here, you just like squeeze it and it pop out, just like that. And then you have this, and then you just take the rope off, you pull the spring back, take the rope off, just like that, and you put it back together. You take this piece, and you take this, and put it back in there, and then you take this little piece right here, and you stick it in there. Then you just take this string, you pull back this spring right here, and you just slide it right over this little port right here. Can't see that, but and then it's gonna look like this. And then you take this port and you put it facing like this, and you just put it together like this. Well, you actually have to put it together. You just kind of turn it in there, and then it'll start going in. Hold on. Gotta use 2 hands for this. Okay. And once you do that, it'll look just like this with the string. And that is how you take a particle and put it back together. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.